Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to deposit money on Bybit from any country. Funding your account is fast, secure, and lets you start trading immediately. Let's get started. First, open the Bybit app or go to the Bybit website and log into your account. Next, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. Then, click on Deposit and choose your preferred currency or cryptocurrency. Now, select the deposit method that works in your country, such as bank transfer, credit/debit card, or cryptocurrency transfer. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your deposit, including entering the amount and any necessary payment details. Finally, confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to appear in your Bybit account. Deposit times vary depending on the method, but Bybit will notify you once the funds are available. That's it. Depositing money on Bybit from anywhere in the world is simple, safe, and convenient. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.